So this is my first ever live trading video. I took a buy on NAS and it won. It's the second trade I took this week. I also took a trade on Monday on AU, so it was kind of a slow week, but I was 2-0 this week, so I'm happy with that. I literally today I almost missed my entry and I couldn't take the trade at all, but it came back down close to my entry point, so I got in on my FTMO account, and then it came down a little bit more. I jumped in on my live account. You'll see the FTMO profits on screen. You'll see when I entered the trade, where I exited, where I put my stop loss, where I put my TP. It will all be on here, so let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a live trading video. I'll probably record the intro separately, so this is going to be post intro, I think. There's nothing really going on in the market right now. GJ bearish as hell. I trade supply and demand, that's my bread and butter. So we do have a supply zone right there. I might look at getting in sells if it comes back to this zone, because we do have a breaker structure, and market structure just looks bearish in general. If we turn on our EMAs, we're going away from the 200 EMA, and the 50 and 13 just look bearish as well, so it's probably going to be sells only on GJ. GU, I had to whack on the camera quickly because there was a setup happening, but I did not take it. Hold on. There was a, yeah, right here. So there's a setup here, but it became invalid, so didn't take it. NAS is not doing nothing right now. NAS is bullish. NAS is always bullish. AU, slow as pair. There's a supply. Is that valid? I don't know if that's valid. I do not know if that's valid. There is news in about when at 1:30, so we've got about 50 minutes until news. I don't trade news, I'm not a gambler. But while we wait, this book right here, amazing. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. I haven't started reading this yet, but I do want to start reading this soon. I've had this book for ages as well. I need to start reading this. That is terrible. But 48 Laws of Power, amazing book. I got this from my friend, traded. Alright, so there is a demand on NAS that if it gets back to this zone, if it goes back, I'll look to take a trade in here. A nice little buy setup, but it looks like we're rejecting now. We've got the same sort of setup on GU as I was mentioning before. EMAs are kind of flat on GU, so I don't really like. I prefer to take NAS, to be honest. But it looks like we're rejecting the zone. We're so close to coming to the zone as well. Damn. Yeah, there was a liquidity grab on GJ, but I thought the setup was trash, so I didn't take it. But for the people who took that in the group, they made money. But yeah, I didn't take it. I didn't really believe in it. But I'll definitely take this NAS demand. It's starting to look bullish. Oh my god. Okay, we might have to get in there. I'll wait for the first breaker candle, so if it breaks this candle, I'll get in there. If it breaks this candle, I'll be targeting just my 1-to-1. What just happened? Hello? I looked down for like 2 seconds. I missed my entry. What the It's way too late to enter now. I looked down for 2 seconds. Okay. Very interesting. That was New York Stock Exchange open, 2:30. Oh my god, I looked down for 2 seconds, I missed my entry. I can potentially get an entry now. Got a little bit of a late entry. That was a bit higher of a 1-to-1. It's very interesting. See if we can get our 1-to-1 still. Treadway running about a 1-to-2 right now, but I missed my entry big. Let's see if we can bloody get our 1-to-1. Boom. Just like that. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna take my profits. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Alright, so that's the video finished. That's the live trading video finished. I'm going to try to get at least one live trading video out per week, because I know that these just, a lot of people enjoy these kind of videos. I know it'll grow the channel and things like that. Thanks for watching. All my socials are in the description. If you like this video, if you want to see another strategy breakdown or another video, definitely be posting more videos. We're putting out more gems, helping a lot more people get into Forex or learn a Forex strategy, a very profitable Forex strategy as well. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.